Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 30, metals and non-metals. Let's revise. Today we will revise the main points of the chapter. First, elements can be classified as metals and non-metals. So all elements can be divided into two groups, metals and non-metals. Metals are lustrous, malleable, ductile and are good conductor of heat and electricity. These all are the physical properties of metals. They are solid at room temperature. They are generally solid at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature and is used in the thermometer. Metals can form positive ions by losing electrons to non-metal. So metals form positive ions. How they form positive ions? By loss of electrons. Metals combine with oxygen to form basic oxides. When metal combines or reacts with oxygen, they form metallic oxides, and these oxides are basic in nature, but aluminum oxide and zinc oxide. These two metal oxides shows the properties of both basic as well as acidic oxide. That is why they are known as amphoteric oxides. Different metals have different reactivities with water and dilute acid. Different metals जो हैं वो different reactivities से अलग अलग reactivities rate से water और dilute acid से react होती हैं. A list of common metals arranged in order of their decreasing reactivity is known as activity series of metals. Activity series of metal क्या होती है बच्चों? A list of common metals arranged in order of their decreasing reactivity is known as activity series of metals. Metals above hydrogen in the activity series can displace hydrogen from dilute acid. So metals which are placed above the hydrogen in the activity series, they can displace the hydrogen from dilute acid. A more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. Non-metals have properties opposite to that of metals. Non-metals की properties कैसी होती हैं बच्चों? Opposite to that of metals. They are neither malleable nor ductile. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite is a non-metal which is conductor of electricity. Now answer the following question. First question is, write the exception in the following cases. You have to give in statements and you have to write the exceptions related to them. A. Metals combine with oxygen to form basic oxides. So exception is aluminum oxide and zinc oxide. These two oxides shows the properties of both basic as well as acidic oxide. That is why these metal oxides are called amphoteric oxides. Second, B. Metals are solid at room temperature. Generally, metals are solid at room temperature, but mercury or Hg, symbol is Hg, mercury is liquid at room temperature. C. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity, but a non-metal which is named graphite. Graphite is good conductor of heat and electricity. Now question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. You have to find true or false. First, A. Different metals have same reactivities with water and dilute acid. No. Different metals have different reactivities with water and dilute acid. So it is false. B. Aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Correct? Right? Aluminum oxide is amphoteric oxide. Why? Because it shows the properties of both basic as well as acidic oxide. C. Non-metals can form positive ions by losing electrons to metals. This statement is also false. Metals can form positive ions by losing electron to non-metals. Thanks for watching.